Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to download all photos on Google Drive. So guys, at first go to your Google Drive and then go to the photos file. Now press and hold a picture and now select the others picture. Now tap on the three dot icon. Tap on download. So guys, as you can see, it has started downloaded and after a while all the photos will be downloaded. So guys, that's how you can download all photos on Google Drive very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.